size diversion. Mechanical diverters gently separate melons by size, all motions synchronized. Approval. Green indicators confirm quality passed.
The vibrant watermelon juice is pumped directly from the pasteurization line into these massive stainless steel holding tanks, ensuring freshness and quality.
Here we see the high-speed bottling line in action, filling thousands of bottles per hour with fresh watermelon juice. The bottles move rapidly through the machine, where the vibrant labels are applied with seamless precision.
The finished product flows smoothly through the sterile pipes, completing its journey through the automated system.
Here we see the finished product. Lined perfectly, the vibrant watermelon juice is now ready for the final packaging stage.
This is modern food processing. Clean, efficient, automated. From whole watermelon to pure liquid refreshment,